So this right here is the twist method, which is basically, it's like the invisible lock method as well, but we're going to twist it to the right. Okay, then we're going to hold that, and we're going to twist this part to the right. And then we're going to start twisting it going down. So this is the twist method for the twist, the single twist or the regular twist, or like I said, the twist spray, twist lock, whatever you want to call it. So what I did was just split the hair in two. I took one part, I held it down, and I twisted it to the right. Then you hold the part that you already twisted, and then you twist the left part to the right. The other part that you're holding, you twist it to the right as well. And there you go. That will be the twist method right there. Okay, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the braid method. So for all those that know how to braid, what you're going to do is just go ahead and get it. Start braiding down. Once you have your braid on and you have your braid secure, then you can go ahead and split it in the middle. You're going to twist that part to the right. Hold it. You're going to twist this other part to the right as well. And then you're going to cross it over to the left to start your twist. So that is the braid method. Okay, so next we're going to do the crochet method. So for all those that don't know how to braid or can't really twist that good, you know, at the base, then what you're going to do is get a rubber band. You're going to put the rubber band on, try to put it on as tight as possible. With this mannequin, like I said, I'm dealing with silky, slick hair, so it tends to, you know, unravel and come loose and all of that. So, you know, try to put the rubber band on as tight as you can. Now, when you're dealing with someone's actual hair, then you don't want it to be so tight that it's uncomfortable for them. You know, so just put it on and put it on pretty moderately for them. And so I'm going to put the crochet needle through. I'm going to crochet my hair through at the bottom. Pull the hair on through like that. And we're going to tighten that up like so. Now, some people, what they do is they wrap around a piece at the top to try to cover the rubber band. So yes, you can do that. You wrap a piece around the top in order to cover that rubber band part up. So as you can see, I'm wrapping it around. Wrap around a couple of times. You just want to hide the rubber band. Once you get through hiding the rubber band, then you can add that piece of hair with another piece that you're already holding, and you can start to twist like so. And like I said, that's easy for those that don't know how to braid or they can't do the twist method at the root. So the crochet method may be better for you. And like I said, you can actually add hair if it's too short. You can actually add hair. So what we're going to do is the hair is already sort of split in two right there. So you're just taking both ends like this. And you're just adding the hair in the middle like that. And you're just going to continue to twist around. And it's going to add that hair and add that length at the same time. And so you can continue to do that. If they want to hang it down to their butt cheeks, honey, you just continue to add the hair like that until they get the desired length that they want. You just continue to add like that. And then last but not least, you have the wraparound method. So what you want to do is just get the hair. You get a little piece. And then what we're going to do is just wrap it around the base. Once you have the wrap around, you can wrap around 4 times, 5 times, whichever one is more comfortable for you. But when you wrap it around, you then split the hair in half, and then you start to twist down, like we've previously done in the other 3 videos. Well, the other 3 methods. So like I said, you can pick a method that works best for you. Try all 4, see which one is more easier for you to do. Like I said, you can always add the extensions of the hair, you know, all the way down to however long you want it to the knees, to the, you know, back of the knees, to the ankles, however you want to do that. But those were the 4 methods that I want to share with you guys. Thank you for watching. This is Pam with Pamshairexpo. Like, share, subscribe, I love you, and peace.